Hey guys, my sons own Springrithm, Spring Smasher on your phone. A while back, they had a client call and he was having some problems with his rack. They got into a discussion. The rack was leaking. He wanted a ratio change in it. So the guy said, yeah, send it on in. So as I was taking the rack apart to begin the rebuild process, I found something very disturbing. And this is it exactly as I took it apart. This is the main rods that actually work the steering rack itself. High pressure fluids either on this side or this side, and that's what makes the rack turn. Well, this rack right here, this power cylinder right here, really concerned me. If you notice closely, the rack is unscrewed and the piston's just flopping around. So these two rods are threaded together and the piston is sandwiched in the middle. I suspect what happened was, judging by the length of this heim, how much it's sticking out, and I look at this heim on the other side, I suspect that somewheres along the line, somebody was adjusting it or fiddling with it, and they inadvertently, instead of turning just the heims, they were actually turning these rods and unscrewing the assembly. Bam! That's only gonna lead to one thing: a wrecked car, a hurt person, or worse. Guys, when you're making these adjustments on these heim joints, do not spin the chrome rod. You are actually unscrewing your rack. Be sure everything is good and tight and never spin the chrome rods and you'll be fine. Also, Sweet has come out with an updated piston that's probably 20% wider, and it also comes with supportive plastic piston rings on it now. So this is also something that we're going to add to this client's rack besides the ratio adjustment to give this rack much more stability with the wider piston. Again, guys, Tech Tip brought to you by Springrithm, Spring Smasher for your phone.